to this computer. Hide this thing. All right, hide the floaty thing. All right, I am on the call with the one and only Mr. Ronnie, super network marketing guru and business guy. And we're just taking a look at this exciting new marketing tool that the Momentum Tech team has created to help everyone in Momentum Tech to really capitalize on this opportunity, make it super simple for you to advertise your business. So we're going to get started and show you a couple things to start using it. You're going to want to set up an account. And it's very easy to set up an account. You're going to go to promote.momentumtech.ai, and then you're going to click this button here in the top right that says sign up. Okay. And then you just put in your first and last name and put in a username. I recommend using the same username you're using on your Momentum Tech sales funnel. That way it's easy for you to remember. Mine happens to be Penny. So I'm going to put in Penny. You put in your email address and you put in a password. Also, wouldn't hurt for you to use the same thing that you're using over there. So, you don't have to remember too many passwords. If you use something different, then maybe, write it down on a piece of paper or save it in your browser for the next time. All right. You click I'm not a robot and just click register right there. And it says this email I must already have one set up with that one. Let's use one of my other email addresses. It'll only let you use the email address once. All right, so I'm going to create, all right, let me just create a fake one here.
Hey, you got too many accounts there, sir.
Yeah, it's probably for me testing the system. Basically, once you create the account, now you're going to come to this dashboard. You don't really need any of this stuff right here. But these are some standard features that are on this dashboard where you can change your account and different things like that. What you're going to need, though, is you want to be able to add a link. Now, what are you adding a link to? You're adding a link to your marketing material, and this marketing material is going to be coded to your personal website. And what I mean by your personal website, I'm talking about your personal promotional website that you're using for Momentum Tech. So I'm going to go over here to my personal website and I'll show you that firsthand. This is my personal website for Momentum Tech. Notice it ends in penny. That's my personalized code for my website. The system, when you set it up, it auto generates one for you. Then later you can change it to something more friendly. It's really super simple to do that. But that's what you're going to want. This is the site you're going to want to send your people to. And so you really want to go ahead and copy this in code where it says register / copy this code right here because you're going to use this whenever you set up your account, whenever you set up your link here. Okay. So first thing right now, there's only one link that you're going to have on here. We're adding some other links for other types of funnels that we're creating. But right now we have one link to promote this particular website. And so you want to customize yours with your personal link. So when you click add link here, it's going to tell you to put in your name. So I'm going to put in my name, put in your phone number, and then add your Momentum Tech link. Now it's giving an example here. Your promotional link is https momentumtech.ai register / penny, and ID is penny. So it's just telling you that, hey, this last little piece right here is your ID. You might have a cryptic code here. If you're going to keep the cryptic code, that's absolutely fine. You're just going to paste that right down here, right? Now yours is going to say penny on it. That's because we're using me as an example, but you don't want to put penny in here. You want to put your actual code that's going to show up on the end of your website right here. All right. So once you create that, you click add a link. Boom. Now it says, congratulations, your Momentum Tech promotional link is created. Please click on all links menu. And the reason we're saying all links menu is that we're going to add some other types of funnels we're working on for you guys. And so in the future, you're not just going to have one link in here. Right now, you just have this one link. And this is actually a thumbnail of the marketing engine. So to get to your marketing engine, you click on all links and then you can click on view links. All right. Now, once you click view links, This will always be your marketing engine for your website. You'll know it's your website because it'll have your name embedded in it right here. I've created a couple of these with testing. So mine says my name -2. So you can just bookmark this. You don't have to keep going back to the main website and logging in and doing everything we just did. Just bookmark that for this particular funnel, and you've got all of your marketing materials that you're going to ever need to promote this particular sales funnel. You see, we've got a lot of them out here, and we'll keep adding more and more. And the idea is that you'll start at the top and you work your way down. And by the time you get to the bottom, you're going to be able to just start at the top and work your way down again. Why? Because we're going to keep adding marketing materials here at the top. But by that time, people don't see every post you post. It's okay to recycle post. And here's how you use this system. We wanted to make it super simple for you to promote your offer. Okay, so it's a 3-step process. The first step is you're going to click download. So what are you downloading? You're downloading this image, and I say start at the top, work your way down. So in the morning, you're having your coffee or your orange juice. You're getting ready to start your day. This is going to take you 3 minutes to post this post on every social media that you could imagine having. So you come here, you click download, you click download, and when you do click download, you'll see it start downloading in the browser up here at the top, and it'll start swirling and it'll download for you. Same thing here. If you go here and you click download on this one, see it starts downloading right here up at the top, and that's going to go into your download folder on your computer. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one right here. Now that I've downloaded it, I'm going to click share. So that's step 2. Now, when you click share, it opens up this really cool share resource for you. And we've got it tied into all the social media platforms. There's probably some other ones out there, but we've got it tied into a lot of them. And you just start at the top and you can work your way down and you click copy title and link. Okay. And so it says copy the paste, promote. It copied it. What did it copy? It copied a couple of things. One, it copied the ad copy, well, for this ad right here that we're working on. And number 2, it copied the link to your personal website. How did it know what your personal website was to copy it? Because when you set up your marketing engine, you posted in your link. In my case, I posted in Penny. So once you click copy, then step 3 is to click the social media and post it. So you may not have all of these. That's okay. You can skip around and post just on what you do have. So I'm going to click Facebook here. When I click on Facebook, it's going to open up Facebook. And I just want you to notice it opens it up where you can actually paste it right in here. But also it doesn't close your marketing engine. Your marketing engine is right here at the top in this tab. So once you're done posting on Facebook, you just toggle back here and you go to the next one. So I'm going to go in here. The first thing I like to do is to go ahead and upload my image or my video. So I'm going to click right here and I'm going to select that. This is the image that we downloaded. Now, where is that? It's in your downloads folder. So when you open this up, you may not be in your downloads folder, so you might not see it. So you just look down here on the side of your computer until you see downloads, and you click on downloads, and then you go ahead and pick that image. It's going to put it right in there. Now your ad copy is already pasted or copied in there. So you just click here where you would normally type and just paste it in there. You can right click and click paste or use Control V if you use control keys on a PC. If you're using a Mac, I'm sorry to hear that. I'm just kidding. I'm a PC guy. So me and my buddies who have Macs, we always have this little I'm a PC, I'm a Mac thing going back and forth. But anyway, however you paste it in there, you just paste it in there. And then you just click next for Facebook and you post it. Now I'm kind of training mode here, so it's taking me longer than 3 minutes. But typically, whenever I do this in the morning, I'm going to take 3 minutes and I'll be able to post it on everything that I have here in this. So for example,
That's awesome.
I also,
I
isn't
gotta
that
say, I
something?
really like this.
Yeah, so I've got Instagram. So I'll click on Instagram. It'll pull up Instagram. Now, Instagram won't let you open up the create box. It's against their coding policies. But all you do on Instagram is come over here to the left, click create. And you'll say when you click create, click post. Okay, and then you select from the computer. Click that image. And then here in the top right on Instagram, there's a next button. You could change the filter, but these are already filtered fine, so you just skip that. And then you just paste it right in here. Boom. Okay. And then that, my friends, you just click share. Now you're on Instagram. Then you come back over here. Well, you might have, maybe you want to send it to some people in your email. We set this up to where it ties right into Gmail email. A lot of people have Gmail. So you click that, it'll open up your Gmail account for you.
Now, do
And
you
it
recommend
pastes.
putting hashtags in the post?
Yeah, yeah, I do. And in fact, we'll come back and add hashtags to a lot of these. Some of them you'll find already have hashtags. It just depends on which one of my creators created them. But that's a really good question. So anyway, it posts this right here, right into the email. Now, if you want to, put on here, hey Bob or whatever, but it opens up your email. It's in there. You can actually insert the image if you want to, or the video. You can see I'm editing it. You can edit it. Or you can just send it as is. And then here, I can insert that image. So the image shows up right in the email. I'm out in the boondocks. Sometimes my internet's a little bit slow. So I just go here, upload, and I get that image. This is the easiest way for you to post on every social media. You can text these things out to people, and I won't make you wait for it to upload on my old internet out here. But you see what I mean is just pop it right into the email address there. And then you can go ahead and do it on if you've got Snapchat or any of these other social medias. Literally in 3 minutes, you can put it on just about everything out here. And then, like I said, this
Yeah, that's a
tab never
great tool.
closes.
I'm gonna get
Yeah,
this
the tab.
recording out to everybody tonight.
Yeah, this tab never closes. So you just keep toggling back to that. Now, if you're going to use it somewhere that's not on here, well, great. You've already downloaded it. It's on your computer. This one I'm gonna have to double check. It looks like he doesn't have the download link activated.